Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be doing another trending Gele style for you guys. So at first I start creating my pleats. So my model for today is one of my students. As you can see, she's just happy with the makeup, everything. So I'll be uploading the makeup look for you guys very soon. I'll be uploading it very soon. So guys, for this Gele ratio is 50-50 ratio. It's 50-50 ratio. Guys, this Gele style, you can rock it to Owambe parties, to church, to any event that you want. I really love this style. So it's one of you guys that sent me this style that I should do tutorial on it, and I'm so glad that I try my best to do the tutorial for you guys. So at first I create like 5 pleats. So when I create my 5 pleats, I go back, cross the both and now bring it back to the front. Now as you can see, now I'm bringing back the hand to the front. I will now start creating my pleats. So here you can create as much pleats as you want. You can create as much pleats as you want. So I'm still doing my pleats now. So guys, this Gele that I'm using is Sego Gele. Your Sego Gele cannot just sit in there at home doing nothing for you. So you can do this style to Owambe parties, to church, to any event that you want. So I'm still extending the pleats now. I'm still creating more pleats for the Gele. I'm very sorry if my hand is blocking you. I'm very sorry about that. I'm so sorry about that. So I'm still continuing creating my pleats. You can just create as much pleats as you want. So now I'll be telling my model to assist me to hold that side down. So now I'll be going back with the other hand now. I'll be doing the same thing there. I'll be creating pleats. But here I didn't create as much pleats as the other side, because the rows that I'll be creating will be covering this side. So I did not really create much pleats in this area. It's the area that I know that people will be looking very well. That is where I create pleats much. So since I know that the rows that I'm doing will cover the other side, that is why I did not create much pleats there. So I've tied it now, so I'll be tying it the second time now again. So you have to make your Gele to be firm. I'm asking my model now that is it tight. So when she tell me that it's not tight, that is why I'm still tying it. So you have to make your Gele to be firm very well. You won't want that if you go to stage now, that's in your Owambe parties, Gele should go and remove it. It won't be nice though. So you have to tell the person that is tying it for you, you should tell the person to make it firm very well for you. So now I'm creating my pleats. I'm creating the rows now. I'm creating the rows. Just look at the way I'm doing my hand, guys. This Gele is very easy. It's not something that is very hard at all. It's not something that is very hard. So I'll be collecting office pin now. I'll be using office pin to pin it down there. So I'll be posting the makeup that you saw on my model today. I'll be posting it very soon, guys. I'll be posting it very soon. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for you guys to know whenever I upload a new video. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is glambeauty30. Glambeauty30. That is my Instagram handle. So please guys, follow me. Let's chat. See some of my work. Encourage me, guys. Please encourage your girl. So now I'm creating the other rows now. I'm very sorry that the camera is not filming that area very well. I don't even know how I even do that side safe. Wake the camera no more show that place. Now wow. for you, glam beauty. Abeg, I no vex. I cannot come and kill myself. I won't lie to you guys. As I'm doing this tutorial, I do like 3 gele tutorial in a day for you guys to just meet up. I don't want to do one person work and not doing the other person. So I'm very sorry if you did not see that area very well. Maybe I will still redo it, but for now just take this one like that. Abeg, me na no vex. So that is all about the look. That is all about the gele. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification. This girl will not kill me. All my students really like Gaio.